Japan's bold move to transform Hokkaido into a global chip powerhouse. The picturesque island of Hokkaido, known for its agricultural prowess and stunning natural beauty, is now at the center of Japan's ambitious plan to revive its semiconductor industry. With a substantial investment of billions of dollars, Japan aims to establish Hokkaido as a global hub for advanced chip manufacturing, challenging the dominance of Taiwan and South Korea in the multi-billion-dollar chip market. At the heart of this initiative is Rapidus, a government-backed company partnered with IBM and supported by major corporations like Toyota, SoftBank, and Sony. Rapidus has secured billions in funding to construct Japan's first cutting-edge chip foundry in decades, with the government investing a staggering $12 billion in the project. The chosen location, Chitose, boasts favorable infrastructure, natural beauty, and a lower earthquake risk compared to other potential sites. A significant milestone for Rapidus was the acquisition of an extreme ultraviolet lithography (EUV) system from ASML, enabling the successful production of prototype 2 nanometers transistors earlier this year. These ultra-thin chips represent the pinnacle of semiconductor technology, enabling faster and more efficient device performance, a feat previously achieved only by TSMC and Samsung. Despite the impressive progress, Rapidus faces challenges in achieving mass production by 2027. The company must address concerns regarding yield and quality, areas where Taiwan and South Korea have gained an edge. The ASEAN +3 Macroeconomic Research Office and the Center for Security and International Studies have highlighted the financial gap in funding needed for mass production, and the lack of experience in manufacturing advanced chips. Japan's government, however, is committed to investing in the chip industry, allocating $27 billion between 2020 and 2024, surpassing the U.S.'s commitment under the CHIPS Act. The $65 billion package unveiled for AI and semiconductors in late 2024 further underscores the government's determination to support Rapidus's expansion. This investment comes after decades of decline in Japan's semiconductor production, which once accounted for over half of global output. The transformation of Hokkaido into a chip hub is attracting global players, with TSMC establishing a presence in Kumamoto and Kioxia expanding its fabs in Yokkaichi and Kitakami. Toshiba has also built a fab in Ishikawa, while Rome has been designated as a critical products provider under Tokyo's economic security framework. American memory chip maker Micron will receive substantial subsidies for its Hiroshima facilities, and Samsung is constructing a research and development facility in Yokohama. Rapidus's unique selling point, as its name suggests, is its ability to produce custom chips faster than competitors, rather than direct competition with established players. The company's focus on speed and rapid delivery positions it as a key player in the global semiconductor race, aiming to provide powerful and innovative products from Japan. Japan's strategic investment in Rapidus represents a high-stakes gamble to revive its semiconductor industry and reclaim its position as a tech powerhouse. With the global demand for chips soaring, particularly in the AI sector, and the need for reliable domestic or regional production, Japan's efforts to establish a robust domestic ecosystem for advanced chips could prove to be a game changer in the global market.